supply list, I would like to say, if you are new to sewing, please review the tutorial in the description box that teaches you how to use a simple sewing machine before you start your wig making journey. So for this wig making class, you'll need a closure 5x5 or 4x4, 6x6, 7x7, whichever one you desire, and at least 3 bundles of hair. You may use all of them, you may not, but it's always better to have more than enough than not enough hair. So the first thing that you'll need is a simple sewing machine. I like the Singer brand because it seems to be a lot more durable. Then you'll need some weaving thread for your hand sewing. Next, you're going to need sewing machine thread. Then you'll want to get a wide presser foot because it makes it a lot easier for you to see the tracks when you're sewing double tracks. Then you want to get heavy duty sewing needles for your machine. You want to get the one that ends with the 18. Next is going to be your canvas head. You can get the 22-inch, which is a standard, or you can also get one that fits your head size if your head size is smaller or if it's larger. Then the adjustable elastic band. I like to get these as well as the standard elastic because, you know, depending on the size of the closure, you may need to stretch it a little farther, so the elastic roll is always good. And then you're going to need your metallic markers for your mapping. You're going to need your T-pins and hand sewing needles for sewing on your closure or your frontal. And then we're at our caps. I like 3 different caps. The dome cap is really good because it has a lot of stretch to it. The next one I like is the mesh dome cap, which is in an extra large, because if you're larger than a 22-inch circumference, these are always good. And then the standard mesh dome caps are good for 22 inches and below. Lastly, these are some quick snipping scissors that I like to use. They're really sharp and they cut the thread